back to another video. It's your boy with the clean shoes. You can't see what's on the feet right now, but I got a little something. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm doing great, can't complain. Another day in traffic. It's just a part of the video now, you know what I'm saying? Talk time. Traffic time with kicks. See the title, you already know what's going down in this video. Finally, man, we were putting some downpipes on this thing. I was gonna wait until we did the custom tune, but you know what? After seeing how this car is performing with just the JB4 and stock cats, I have to just try out the downpipes before we actually put a real tune on this car, because I'm real curious to see, because this thing's low-key kind of moving with just the JB4 and the stock cats. I mean, compared to stock. Obviously the sound is gonna be the main thing. Clearly, I want the sound. This car is not loud enough for me. It does sound good with just the mid-pipe, but it's just not enough for me. I think downpipe, mid-pipe actually sounds really good. It's not super loud, but it's not like raspy at the same time. It still holds like a nice tone. But yeah, nothing much else to talk about. I'm gonna save my battery for later, and we'll hop back in this video when we get to the shop. Damn, the Barola booming. Shit. Oh, the Jetta, he on his ass. Oh, they getting active. Now that's funny. Two slow cars cutting up, racing. Hilarious. Like, they really going at it, bro. Color though. And that manual. My boy quick with the neutral. Look at all that restriction. I can't believe the car is pulling how it is with restricted cats. That's crazy. I'm real curious to see how this thing's gonna feel now. I'm about to be the fastest locked ECU S58 in the US right now. Pull up 10 to 70. My boy said if I want some more, they're over here. Don't mind if I do. Time to smell 91. Yes, sir. Make some noise now. Doesn't smell too bad with the valves closed. Stealth bomber. There it is, guys. Front mount intakes, catless downpipes, Valvetronic mid pipe. This shit sounds crazy. Like, the fact that it still has the stock muffler is like crazy, bro. But honestly, it sounds really, really good. I got to hear it outside, so I could tell you guys that it sounds good. Cause sometimes, like, you'll hear a car inside and it might sound good inside, but it might be a little bit raspy, like not sound that great outside. But nah, this thing sounds really good. So like I mentioned earlier, the valves stay somewhat closed until you're full throttle. So that's just the way they designed it, I don't know. So if I do want to keep it open all the time in low RPM, then I have to get that controller. I mean, it's kind of cool because it keeps you out of trouble, I guess. Like, the car's not so loud on the low RPM. Like, it's not loud at all right now until you punch it. Oh, the intake is for sure louder. Whew. That just sounds good. I'm gonna launch this bitch. Launch it, wait. Definitely feels a little quicker. For sure. Did you hear that launch though? You hear that bitch winding up? That's just that. Ah, it's perfect. Like, it's not too loud, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it obviously could be louder, but it's like, it's not raspy, it's not too much. So I definitely kind of will be happy with how the car sounds right now. Bro, that shit sounds good. Got the vet here. Another successful day at the PQ Performance. Shout out to my guys, always taking care of me.
Thank you, bro. All good, bro. Be safe.
LT boys. It's clean. Things always look good in white. It's clean. Man, that stealth PPF just hits at night, bro. It looks crazy. I just love the way the light shines off of it. Whew. So I know a lot of people are gonna ask this, like, since I did the downpipes, am I gonna get check engine light, or why don't I have a check engine light right now? I actually bought the O2 spacers. supposed to pretty much like retard the O2 so that way you don't get the check engine light. But just confirmed with them, we'll be sending the ECU out next week. I'm gonna bring it to them like Thursday. So yeah, hopefully it comes back soon and we can get a real tune on this thing. But I mean, she's cool for now, man. I feel like maybe probably got another 15-20 wheel horsepower, so that might be good for like a car length. As you guys can see, in comfort, car completely silent. Sounds just like before in comfort. So I think this is perfect for the people that don't want a loud exhaust setup, but you want to have catless downpipes and you want to tune your car and you just don't want it to be obnoxious. Then definitely I would keep the stock muffler and either just get downpipes by themselves, or even mid-pipe and downpipes is fine. Cause here, I'll roll the window up and I'll let you guys hear it. I'll bring it up to 3,000. Car is super quiet. Like, I cannot tell if this thing has downpipes right now. I mean, you guys hear it. Like, even right now, if I was custom tuned, like, this is how the car would sound. So that's crazy. Like, you could literally make like 800 and sound like this. Wild. All right, now we are in sport. Crack the window a bit. Damn, bro. So the intakes, whoa, shit. Bro, what is good with this area? All right, so last time I left, I almost hit a cat, and then there was a dog in the middle of the street. Like, bro, what's good? But, yeah, like I was saying, definitely the intakes are a lot louder. Well, guys, that is gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Car sounds crazy now with the downpipes. It sounds so much better. Definitely stay tuned. I'll be making as much content as possible with the M4 before we send the ECU out, because once the ECU is gone, it's gonna be at least like 10 days minimum. The whole process might take 3 or 4 weeks, but it's definitely gonna be worth it because this thing will be making some nice numbers and she's gonna be pulling. Appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We out.